It is the holiday season, a time for family, love, joy, and giving gifts. So I opted out for the sleigh, got my own StockX truck, I got a drone, I got sneakers. It's time to get some gifts. Let's get it.
I was like, yo, I have to be involved. Who else has gotten a shoe delivered from a drone?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Appreciate it, man.
Come on,
Appreciate
man.
it. That's StockX right there, buddy.
Futuristic shoe dropped off in a futuristic way for a futuristic guy.
Hey, man. Hey.
Not only that, we surprised one Detroit volunteer who deserved a little extra holiday cheer this year. StockX is teaming up with City of Detroit to give back to one of Detroit's elite. It's Jamie Mathis, a 23-year-old City Year Corps member who is absolutely phenomenal. Look, over the past 2 years alone, Jamie has volunteered more than 2,000 hours to the students of Detroit. Students who, under her tutelage, have increased their test scores by 78%. Look, Jamie is a true gift. So we at StockX thought, why not give Jamie a gift of our own? Has anyone seen Jamie Mathis? So I heard you like Air Maxes.
I do, yeah.
You do? What do you love about Air Maxes?
They're cool, and they have a lot of different colorways.
It's been an absolutely incredible day. Not only were we able to give away sneakers, but we did so through a drone. Shout out to our team over at Workhorse for helping us out. Who knows? The next delivery may be yours. Keep your eyes to the sky.